6 AM, early morning start. Got to get back to my boy. Yeah, don't really know if I've got much to say really, but the night was fine, and I'm going to try and pack up and get on the road. Cup of coffee first though. Yep. See you in a bit. Okay, it's a bit grey and misty, but it's really nice. So I've decided I'm all packed up pretty much. I'm going to make another cup of coffee, sitting on this mound, looking out over Swanage. As usual, I'm not sure any of it's coming out, but it's a really cracking view. So yeah, this is my breakfast spot. Get the bike all nicely balanced up and loaded. Cup of coffee, hit the road. It's Swanage, looking good. The Dorset coast is really something else. You won't be able to see it, but that's Corfe Castle over there. Can't really see a load of hedge. Basically there's a castle in the mist. The only traffic is cyclists. In front, behind, I'm in the middle. No cars. How about that? More views of Corfe Castle.
I love my music. I need my music.
Finding it a little bit more difficult today. Happy enough in the saddle, bum's a bit sore. Just that fatigue after riding yesterday and having a very disruptive sleep. but still cool to be doing something and cool to be out on my own and having a bash, but yeah, a little bit less comfortable. Yeah, a little bit having to dig deep or dig deeper. Anyway, countryside's stunning. It's quite misty. I reckon the sun will burn this off in a minute. It's going to be quite a nice day. The mist is almost a godsend at the minute. There's that pastoral goodness again. Absolute lush vibes. Although apparently it's an army firing range as well, so pastoral, militant vibes. Just getting blackberry munch on. Bit of roadside foraging. Absolutely lush. I've been eating so many sweets and like Nutribar things. I need to get some berries and fruit inside me. So good. Coming up to Lower Cove, West Lower. Had a very pleasant bacon sarnie, Lower Cove, looking out to sea. Had a nice chat with some people who had just swum around the stack. Really cool. Really cool, although now I've got some stodge in my belly and quite a lot of miles to go. Time's disappearing. But yeah, sun's coming out, nice and warm. Just got to keep pushing. Having quite a big stint on main roads. Certainly quite good at eating up the miles, but not enjoying all those cars. About 32 miles in, not far outside Weymouth at the moment. Still main roading. Oh, it's a white horse on my right. Just rolling through Weymouth. Actually not so good, well, I'm about to say how good the cycle paths are, but there's one on the other side of the road. So yeah, general point, Weymouth, okay for cycle paths. On Route 26, towards Dorchester. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, GoPro battery's nearly run out. I'm past Weymouth, sort of skirted underneath Dorchester, and I'm on the road home to Bridport. There's going to be some more ups and downs, but I'm sort of getting there. I've done 40 miles, 3,100 feet of climbing, and I'm dreaming of like a milkshake or something. I almost detoured to McDonald's, which would have added like 4 miles on to get a milkshake. But yeah, if I'm really lucky, there might be some option for a milkshake. Those sheds that sell local milk sometimes sell scrummy milkshakes. So we'll see. Anyway, getting there. Really beautiful, calm roads. Really enjoying this. Oh yeah. I'm pushing. Just didn't have this one in me. I don't know how steep it is or isn't, but still dreaming of that milkshake. Oh, I just need to get to the top. Whew. No water for the last hour or so. Really like gagging for a cold pint of water. But I'm at the top of the hill. Garmin says it's down. Heading towards Little Breedy, Higher Breedy, which is near Burton Bradstock, which is near home. So yeah, let's enjoy the descent. The farm shop was closed. No milkshake for me. A couple of miles outside Bridport now. Trying to think reflective thoughts. All I know at the moment is that I'm ready to get off the bike, but I've had some really wonderful moments, particularly camping out. I've actually chatted to some nice people, so quite sociable moments. I've got a shitload of exercise, topped up my vitamin D, used my bike, so I mean yeah, it's all good. But I am done. I am just itching to get home now. I'm going to be home on time, so everyone's going to be happy. And by hook or by crook, I'm getting my milkshake. Right, onwards. Push, 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 push! Keep pushing! Just climbed my last hill, my last modest hill. Mile from home. This is me done. 2 days. 2 days out on the bike. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. I've got nothing more to say really. I don't know why I keep turning the camera on. But if you're watching this, go to Dorset, get out on your bike, camp somewhere naughty, live a little. That's all I've got to say. Other than that, nothing. Here's some road. Chocolate milkshake, chocolate milkshake, chocolate milkshake, here I come. Oh, chocolate milkshake. This is officially Bridport, which is basically Bridport, which is basically home. Chocolate milkshake. Oh, chocolate milkshake.